Welcome. Today we're diving into how to see and update your recovery email on Roblox, an essential step for keeping your account secure. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Roblox app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a button labeled More. Tap on it to access additional options. After tapping More, scroll down the list until you find Settings. Give that a tap. This section is where you'll manage various aspects of your account. Next, look for the option labeled Account Info. Tap on it to view your current account details. Now, let's focus on your email address. Under the email address section, you'll see a pencil icon. Go ahead and tap this icon to edit your email. Here comes the important part. Enter your new email address carefully. Once you've double-checked that it's correct, tap Change Email. This action will prompt Roblox to send a verification link to your new email. Last but not least, check your email inbox for a message from Roblox. Follow the instructions in that email to verify your new address. This step ensures that your account is secured and that you'll never lose access. And that's it. You now know how to see and change your recovery email on Roblox with ease. Keeping this updated is key to securing your account, so don't forget to verify that email. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time on Roblox.